Hey guys, here with a other video but with a new topic, and I see there's just too much confusion going on also in the so-called salt community. Listen guys, I really don't understand, man. I gotta get on you guys also. We talked about these beings too much. How can you be so naive, man? You know where you at by now. At least I think you should know where you're at. Listen, guys, listen to this. No organic portal NPC in this realm, in this reality, in this life, however you want to call it, is doing anything out of their hearts for you unless there's something that they're earning off of you or the leverage they have, guys. No person that's not a real human is going to go the extra mile for you without having something done for them. Now, you can lie to yourself. You can make excuses, think that you're special. Listen, guys, I've been long enough in this in this realm to know by now, man, and I dealt with them a lot, and I know how they operate. Listen, guys, organic portals don't do nothing from the heart, or if they do something, it's going to be used later against you. That's one. Or there's a hidden motive that they're not telling you. Trust me, guys. Trust me. I know how this game works with them, man. Everything with them is about ego. You're not gonna get an organic portal to do something for you out of the heart. There's some way, shape, fashion they have to compensate. And look, when you have those people say, I do charity work, or these bots say, I do charity work, I help in the church, I'm a good person. No, you're not. Because let me tell you, if you're doing something, didn't the Bible, guys, outside of you being a believer or not, that's not the thing here. I also don't like church, but that's not the point now. Please listen to understand. Whether you go to church or not, didn't the Bible tell you, go pray inside, don't do it in front of the eye of men. Don't do the things you do for people to be seen. What do these organic portals always do? Filming a homeless guy, giving him something. Now, okay, somewhere they're doing something positive because they didn't need to give their money or food to the guy. Let's be honest. Okay, I give them that. But do you have to broadcast it every time? Maybe have you thought about that homeless guy is already in a shameful position in life, especially being a man, because the man gets no break here. Female NPCs, organic portals, get much more slack than men. Did it ever cross your mind that man didn't want to be filmed? Or he's already in a compromising position? Yes, of course he's not going to say, I don't need your help. Of course he's going to take your food or your money. Duh. But you're shaming him. You're not supposed to do that. That's not coming from the heart. It's to elevate you. Listen, organic portals, guys, what I've learned, man, in the years with them, they are not good people, man. They're not good robots. They're evil robots. They do everything with a thought behind it. Trust me, guys. Trust me. Stop being naive, guys. Stop it. I'm telling you. Content creators telling you be nice to them to keep your frequency high. I don't need to be nice to a demon. I keep my frequency high by eating good, working out, doing things. Yesterday I went to the gym. I meditate a lot. And I know that those negative thoughts or suicidal thoughts are not mine. I know that it's being projected to me from somewhere, I don't know how they do it, but technology or whatever. But those telling you that, I'm starting to think they are part of the matrix themselves. I don't need to name names, You already know who I mean and what I mean. Them that are telling you that are part of this program. I'm telling you, because it's not normal for someone to tell you that knowing which realm you're in. I'm not saying you hate them, go out and kill them. No, of course not. But just be neutral. Don't have no feeling with them at all. Because that's how they see you. They don't like your ass. And they will only tolerate you as long as there's a benefit, guys. I just came from a shop also. I can feel everyone is cozy there, but then the woman saw me acting very anxious, wanted to get me out there. They want to always have you there out there as quickly as possible. They don't like you. They just don't like you, guys. You know why? There's something that enters them. You challenge them. Just your mystique, your aura, everything about you. It unsettles them. I can see it when I enter there's something your brain cannot hide, and that is micro expression. They they sense it the second you come in, guys. They have that base knowledge. They can tell, no, this guy is different. I make them always move how I want to. have that power over them. And that's not an ego thing, it's truth. When I come, that fakeness stops. They immediately are serious with me because they know, no, he sees through it. We can't fool this guy, you know? This guy, let's not even try because this guy cannot be fooled. They know. People know how far they can go with you. But that person in church is not a good person. They're kissing ass to be in good relationships with the pastor. While I thought the pastor is not Jesus, last time I checked. And didn't the Bible tell you, don't be of this world? Seems to me that Jesus knew how evil these motherfuckers were. And yet you're trying to tell me to be nice to them, you know? Two things are happening, or three. Or that person is a shill, is a matrix agent, or that weak male NPC is getting some vagina from a bot, and he's afraid that if the robot bitch listen to the video, she will not give him that metal pussy anymore. Or they are literally being paid to gaslight you, to act in the beginning as if they're one of us, but then to gaslight you, guys. They are not altruistic. They do everything with an ulterior motive. I don't trust none of these motherfuckers, man. And I just play along with them. When I'm at the job, I don't act fake. I'm me, but I mean like certain things I say, oh, okay, yes, okay. While in my mind, I'm thinking, you think you're getting one over on me, you dumb idiot? I'm playing along to get that cash. End of the month. I see through you, you evil piece of shit. So, guys, they are not good people. They are not good, and they are not doing it from the heart. They do things to get something back. And you know why? Try to, guys, listen. Try to frustrate them. Sometimes I tested them. I have nothing against them one time, and I used to try like to see how they would react. Invent a problem, and then it would be used against me. Remember when I did this for you, that for you? That's an OP right there. A soul human helps you without calculating in his head, okay, I'm giving him or her that. But in the back of my mind, if they ever get disrespectful, don't do what I want, I'm going to use it against them. We don't have that spirit. That's OP spirit, because that's how the demiurge works. Satan gives you something. Isn't that saying from Hollywood? Satan always comes to collect. Why would they know a saying like that? Because they know how their father is that they serve. So guys, I'm telling you, man, it can even sometimes cost you your life. Stop thinking that these people do things from the heart out of you. They don't care about you. Listen, that woman that's walking outside with homeless people or people who have mental problems, you know, like a psych ward, let their boss tell them tomorrow, that instant, hey, call them, hey, I'm not paying you anymore, so you would have to do this now for free. They will leave that patient there rotting on the street, take their bus home and saying to themselves, fuck that shit, you ain't paying me, fuck this customer. This is how they are, guys. This is how that cop that you think is a hero, American hero, yeah. Let him get a message on his walkie-talkie telling him, hey, we decided this second not to pay anymore. You're working now for free. Guy, he will throw his gun, everything just on the street and go home. And give a fuck about that old lady being raped or hijacked or not hijacked, raped or how you call it? Robbed. He would leave that place. They are not good people. You're not fooling me. Sorry, guys. No. I don't buy into that shit. They are evil, wicked demons in meat suits. I don't trust them. There's always something with them. Look, when you go to a train station, I don't know how it is in America, but here in the Netherlands, when you go to a train station, they sometimes give you that sugar-free gum. They give you that Coca-Cola Zero. They give you that sun lotion. The sun lotion gives you cancer. The sugar-free gum has aspartame. It's long or big portions of it, or eating it for a long time gives you cancer. And that Coca-Cola Zero also has aspartame. It can cause temporary blindness. You see like these particles, because it can blind you. I know someone who had like he lost sight for a second, almost fainted. So they're not good people. Here everything is backwards. The COVID vaccine is actually a murder weapon. Oh, shit, man, it blurred it out. So I don't hope they give me a strike. Fuck, man. But yeah, I blooped it out. It already happened. I will not make this video again, all over again. So no, guys, they are not good. This place is Satan's playground. Stop being a naive, innocent dummy. When you see me with them, if you were ever to see me, keep in the back of your mind, no, this guy, he knows what he's doing. He's playing along and getting out of the system what he wants. That's exactly what's happening. I don't care about them. This place is evil, guys. That church member is not a good person. I remember going to church and I could sense that evil. You know, when you look at someone's eyes, you can sense evil in the back of their, I don't know how to explain. You, in that gaze, you feel evil. You feel that something is inside that eyeball, looking through that eyeball at you, an evil entity. I can see that on these fuck faces of these people. I don't like them. You know, they're evil and they're always coming to mess with you. When they come knock at your door, there's something they want. When they're those laughs are masquerading hidden hate and scheming. I can see, man, a con man when I see it in 3 seconds, or a con woman. And that woman wanted to sleep with you. Have you never noticed you sleep with the bot? I used to do it, eh? So I'm being very honest before I woke up. Yeah, I did it. Straight the fuck up. I used to be so tired that I really thought I have cancer or I have AIDS. I'm dying. That tired, that should tell you. And it's not normal for a guy that time that was 20, 19 or 20 to be so fatigued like he's 80. You know? So trust me, guys. I don't trust none of them, man. And I stay far away as possible. I only interact with them when I need to for my benefit. Don't trust these wicked demons. They're not good people. That being said, be at peace.